Performance reviews may land on the bottom of a to-do list for your shop. But here's the thing. When done right, they do so much more than evaluate employees. They actually help you strengthen relationships with your techs, improve communication, and keep your business running smoothly. Let's talk about how performance reviews can go from a box you check off to an improvement tool for your shop. The first key to creating a solid performance review plan is frequency. A once-a-year review might work fine for some businesses, but waiting 12 months to offer feedback just doesn't cut it for shops, especially in your field. Some shops do reviews every quarter. Others do it twice a year to keep things fresh and productive. What matters most is that you're consistent and that the review actually gives employees something they can work on if needed. Consistency is great, but what is said and what comes out of it matters most. A good review isn't just about going through the motions or just reciting job descriptions. It's a two-way conversation. You should walk away knowing more about your employees' experiences, challenges, and goals. That way they can improve and you can too. Your technicians should leave knowing exactly what they're doing well and what they can improve on. That way, there's something measurable to work off of after their initial review. Before the review even begins, let your techs know what to expect and provide them any forms ahead of time. This step encourages your technicians to reflect on their performance and makes the review feel more collaborative. For new hires, reviews should happen early and often. Even something as simple as a quick 5-minute chat at the end of the day during the first week helps them feel seen and supported. Weekly check-ins for the first month can catch small issues before they grow into problems. And monthly reviews after that give them a foundation before they move into your regular review cycle. Not sure how to structure a review conversation? A good start is to spend the time talking about the employee's performance and then talking about how they feel about the company. Give them space to share feedback about your management style as well. That way, the review will turn into a genuine conversation, not a lecture. If you want to see results from these reviews, try giving the technicians specific tasks and goals ahead of time. Then, during the review, look back on how those tasks were handled and where, if at all, improvements can be made. Remember, performance reviews aren't just about filling out forms or marking boxes off a to-do list. They're about giving your technicians and employees the opportunity to grow. For more tire and service videos, don't forget to follow us on Instagram, Facebook, and YouTube. I'm Christian Hinton, coming to you from the Tire Review Continental Tire Garage Studio at Babcox Media. Thanks for watching.